Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn formatting in Word 2019. So let's start the procedure. So open the Word, type it here Word by using start button. After opening the Word, in the search box, Word application will be appears on the screen. Click on it and select here blank document and maximize the screen in the control buttons. So here what is the topic which we are learning here? Formatting in Word, correct? So what is meant by formatting? In the last class which we discussed formatting, right? Changing the appearance of the arrangements here. Changing the appearance of the arrangement of the text is called as formatting. What is the definition? Let's start the definition once. Changing the appearance appearance and arrangement. Changing the appearance and arrangement of the text, okay, is called as formatting. Hope you understand. So now see, this all letters when I'm typing, these all letters are capital. Now you may get in a doubt to convert these letters in small letters or initial capital letters. I already discussed in the last video, you can see continuously. So if you want to make letters sentence case, where you have to use the option from the font tools, you need to go to change case, click on sentence case. Now see here, appearance spelling wantedly I did wrong here for showing purpose. Why it is showing red line? In the last class which we discussed was regarding grammar mistake, spelling mistake, right? So which mistake it is? Spelling or grammar? So that means if it is red wavy line, what do you call? Spelling mistake, right? Right click here and search the search command prompt and click on the option. The option automatically will rearrange that. Hope you understand this. This is the definition of formatting. Hope you understand. Formatting definition means what? So what and all things we are going to learn today? Formatting in Word 2010. First one is changing the font size. First one, see Nana. Just select this. After selecting this, how to select the size? I told you from font tools. If you want to change size, you can go to font to size option and select the size. What is the default size of font here? 12 is the default size. And what is the highest default size in the font size? 72. If you want more than this size, what do you want to do? You have to use increase indent. See, once if you are clicking, the number will be changing here. Hope you understand this. Next one is nothing but if you want to decrease, you can use here decrease font size. When you are decreasing, automatically the size will be reflected on the font size option. Now I am decreasing still. So let us assume this formatting word, I have to make it big size like a 36. What will you do? First you need to select the text and go to font size and click on the size which is required. Which do you want? Which is the desirable size you need. Hope you understand. So now the next topic is highlighting text. Now see, this background is in black color, right? If you want to change color, what will you do? Generally you need to go to font color and you are selecting the color which you require. Now what is meant by highlight color, text highlight color? This particular text, back of the text it will be square box. See now, this is normal text, right? If you want background one color, foreground one color, already foreground by red color is there. Background what kind of color you need? So suppose let us assume you need yellow. So many colors are in the text highlight color. This is the option called as text highlight color. Click on it here and first what you want to do? Select it. After selecting, go to the color and click on it. Look at now, back side of the screen was it like a square box was gray color and the text color will be red color. So this way we can able to make it changes by using text highlight color. In case if you don't want this text highlight color, you can go to the same option, click on it, no color. Okay, so now do you understand font color and change color? So now the another question is, if you want a different color, see here only few colors are. If you want more colors, what will you do? Click on more colors option and select it here which type of color you want. Okay, so you can see here by adjusting we can do it if you want. This is called adjuster. Got it? So that particular adjustment of the color you can see here. Okay, so which color you require, so that particular color you can select it. Suppose blue, select it. Okay, first select it, go here. Now see, hope you understand how to make your text in a different color. Look at here, any blue color are here? No, the color which you selected, that will be add in the recent color. Again, if you want, you can able to utilize it. So the next one is nothing but changing case. Last class which we discussed, change. How many types of change cases are there? Sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize for each word, and toggle case. There are 5 cases. In last video I did, you check once clearly. Line spacing. Now see, from this line to this line there is a line spacing. You need more line spacing. What will you do? In the paragraph tools, the option name called as line spacing. Click on it and I am giving here 1.0. Now look at the arrangement of the line will be little nearby, very close together. If you are giving 2.0, now see the option, that line which you selected, how many lines you selected, from that lines the gap will be more. If you want still more, you can go for based on that. So this will help us to create the question paper when you are doing question paper typing, or suppose when you are doing some other work like a documentation, you need a gap, you can able to do by using the which option? What do you call this option? Line spacing. Look at now, what is the default line spacing option? 1.0. What is the highest line spacing option? 3.0. Got it? So hope you understand this, how to do the line spacing. Where is the line spacing option? Will be in the paragraph group. In which tab it was? In the home tab. Okay, next one is nothing but line spacing. Paragraph spacing also same. So paragraph to paragraph, let us assume this is one paragraph, so I am using copy option. So second paragraph was this. So from this paragraph to this paragraph you want to give a gap. How can you give the paragraph to paragraph? Select here, go to the same thing and increase it. Look at now, this is line spacing which we did. Now what is the question we discussed? Paragraph is nothing but here for paragraph line spacing you need to go for the option called as layout tab. Which tab ma? Layout tab. From the layout tab, which option you need to select it? Paragraph. Look at here, these are called as paragraph option. You can select it here. If you want more, you can able to do it based on that. Look at here, keep your cursor and increase the size. So this is called decreasing, this is called increasing. What is happening? Paragraphs first adjusting with the help of paragraph option. Which tab you are using here? Layout tab. Remember this. Okay, next one. What is the next topic we are going to discuss? Difference between editing and formatting. As I told you, editing and formatting is nothing but if you want to do any modification in the text, you need to select text first. And suppose if you want to use bold, click on bold. What is the shortcut key of bold? So what is the shortcut key of bold? Control plus B. Okay, use Control plus B. First select the text which you want. Let us imagine this word I am selecting. So Control plus B. Look at now, automatically the shortcut key makes the text will be darker. So that bold will be highlight here. Hope you understand. If you want italic, what do you want to do? Already it was here. What is the shortcut key? If you have a doubt, keep your cursor nearby the option. It is showing to you Control plus I. Control plus I. Look at here, Control plus I. Click on Control plus I. Automatically that is showing Control plus I makes the text should be italic style. If you want underline, select the text and click on Control plus U. Automatically underline will be appears on the screen. Got it? So these are called as editing tools. Still many are there. we'll discuss in the further thing. Okay, changing font color we discussed, bold, italic, underline I just explained just now. And now align to the text. Where do you want to align? Very carefully observe, these are very important topic. Let us this heading, where do you want to give? With the tab you are giving manually. Stop doing this, it is very difficult for you. So instead of doing, what will you do? You can use here in the paragraph, there are 4 alignments: left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, justify alignment. Click on center alignment. Now see, your particular word or paragraph or sentence which you selected, that will go to center. If you want again left side, which option you want to click here? Left alignment. Look at now carefully, it will go to left alignment. Next, if you want right, click on right once. This is the see here I adjusted this line as a default, so that was the page will be moving. Why? Because before we were using layout tab, here it was changed. Now you can adjust properly normally. Got it? Hope you understand this. So this way we can do it. Okay, if you want again right side, click on right once, so automatically this particular word will go to right. Left means left alignment, center means center alignment. Okay, clear? So how many types of alignments are there here? There are 4 types of alignment: left, right, center, justify. Okay, left, center, right, justify. And for giving space, which option you are going to use? Line spacing. Got it? If you want, suppose there are points, let us assume this is 1 point. Look, this is 1 point, and this is 1 point, and this is 1 point. Okay, for these 3 you need 3 points. For typing like this manually, it will take long time of years, right? Instead of that, if you want to do manually, so select it all and go to the bullets and numbering, click on it. This is the first point. If you want to type it next one, just automatically numbers will come. You can see italic, which we discussed, italic, underline. What are these actually? These are the font tools which we learned. Okay, hope you understand how to give bullets and numbering. You no need to give bullets and numberings again and again. Once if you selected the paragraph or either line or text, whatever it may be, so after selecting, go to the bullets. If you want bullet means bullet library, you can go. If you want numbering means numbering tab, you can able to select it. Got it? So this way we can do it, bullets and numberings. Next, if you want to keep shortcut keys, let's start first bold. What is the shortcut key? Control plus B. Okay, the same way if you want the shortcut key of italic, what is the shortcut key here? Control plus I. If you want shortcut key of underline, what is the shortcut key here? Control plus U. Okay, so hope you understand how to do it. Next, if you want, suppose if you don't know the shortcut keys of this, if you want many more, we'll learn one by one. Okay, do you know alphabets? How many are there? 26, right? In the 26, today we are going to learn at least minimum 10 the shortcut keys with the help of short word. Okay, let's start the procedure first. Okay, first one, bold, italic, underline we learned, right? Next one is left alignment, right alignment, center alignment. Now keep your cursor nearby if you are getting doubt on the option. So what is the shortcut key of left alignment? Look at here, shortcut key control plus L. So right here, left align, align left, both are same. So either you can call align left or left alignment. Okay, what is the shortcut key? Control plus L. Okay, the same way if you want align should be center, what is the shortcut key? What is the shortcut key for this? Control plus E. And if you want the shortcut key of align right, what is the shortcut key? Align right, control plus R. If you want justify align means what do you want to do? Justify, control plus Z. So here you can see Why it is showing the center spelling wrong? See, look at, when you are giving two spaces, if you are giving wrong spelling, automatically it will see here plus after it is. Why it is showing error means only one space you need to provide, two spaces you should not provide it. Okay, so hope you understand this. So how many options we learn now? Bold shortcut key, italic, underline, and left align, center align, right align, justify align. Now we are going to learn the two more things are nothing but subscript, superscript. Subscript shortcut key, what is that? So you can see subscript shortcut key is very special. H2O you typed. H2O means what? Water, right? So 2 should be where, Nana? Down, right? Click on subscript here. Automatically these two will come down. Okay? So H2O. Which option we use here for 2? You have used the option is subscript. Okay? How many? See here? Control plus shift. Control plus shift is equal to control plus shift. Shift plus is equal to, okay, shift plus is equal to control plus shift plus, suppose let us assume CO2, CO2, okay, 2 should be where, 2 should be down, control plus shift plus is equal to, it is a superscript, right? So sub means how many powers you are going to get? Only 2 powers. Look at carefully. This shift is equal to control is equal to, what do you want to do first? What do you want to do? This 2 you have to select it. Control is equal to control is equal to control shift plus is equal to means superscript. Control plus is equal to means subscript. But here carefully observe, I am using shortcut key of subscript. Look at control plus shift plus. Got it? And if you want, let us assume H2O, a square plus b square, or else a square plus b square. Okay, select this 2 and go to superscript option. What is the superscript shortcut key? Control plus shift plus again plus. Hope you understand. So now these 2 will see in shortcut key. Okay, control plus shift plus plus. Okay, so this way we can do it, the easy way to learn word formatting tools in Word 2019. Okay, if you want, suppose increase indent, decrease indent, what do you want to do? So increase indent, select that text which you want, control plus shift plus greater than. Look at now, text will be becoming very big. If you want small side, control plus shift plus less than. Okay, shortcut key it is. So if you want to find the word where is computer, so let us imagine I am just typing word where how many times word is there, you need to find out. That is the task I gave you. For that, what you want to do? Control plus F, you can utilize it. Control plus F means find. Type it here word. Okay, click on enter. Look at here, in the formatting in Word there is only one word spelling. Okay, no other words. Click on enter, no other words, all words are over. So this makes you very easy to find words. What is the shortcut key of find? Control plus F. Okay, what is the shortcut key of replace? Control plus H. Why? What is the difference between find and replace? Now look at control plus F. I am clicking here. Here also there. You can go for replace directly. So here replace with what you want to do. Find what is word. In the word place you can write here computer applications. Computer application. Replace. What happened? Before it was like a, you can carefully observe, before it was word, am I right? So how it has changed? Computer application. So once again, we'll replace again, okay? So again replace option. So here computer application was there. Computer application. What do you want to replace here? So replace with word again, okay? Replace all. Now you can see the two ways I explained you. One is Word place I make as computer application. Again computer application place I make as word. So find means you can search words. Replace means if you want to replace word, rearrange the word in the same location, which option we are going to use? Replace option. Okay. So these many options you learned today. So tomorrow I'm going to explain another video. I'll come forward to you. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. If you like my video, seriously like, share, subscribe, and down there are the points. If you are giving points, that will help me. Thank you. Have a nice day.